Goa building and other construction workers welfare. So now we have basically taken identified an agency consultant basically, which is central government approved consultant to go into this labor welfare is concerned. Labor is construction labor concerned. So we have taken this consultant on board. And there are schemes for these people, the workers of this thing. So first, basically, to avail of this scheme, they need to take basically to get themselves registered first.
Okay.
So once they are registered, then they will avail of the scheme. There are even schemes for as far as children are concerned. That's the reason I'm saying as far as CES is concerned, we have got around 500 crore rupees with the government.
This consultant
and his money has not been utilized. So that is the reason we have taken this consultant on board basically to advise us and to put the things in place. This consultant will be till the end, till this thing is being put in place.